Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist on its own. In other words, if you have a bar of solid gold, the smallest particle that it could exist by itself and still be considered gold would be one atom of gold. Atoms are composed of three primary particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons together make up the dense center of an atom, known as the nucleus. Electrons orbit in shells in the space around the nucleus. Neutrons have no charge, while electrons have a negative charge and protons have a positive charge. These charges are responsible for the electromagnetic force that keeps the electrons orbiting around the nucleus. Atoms are curious particles when you think about them. Almost all of an atom's mass comes from the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. However, because electrons orbit around the nucleus, most of an atom is empty space. The nucleus only accounts for approximately 1 in 10,000ths of the size of an atom. You can't see an atom with the naked eye because they're simply too small. Using electron microscopes, scientists have been able to study atoms. An atom is approximately 1/10 of a nanometer in diameter. That's about 100,000 times thinner than the average strand of human hair. If you made a straight line of 43 million iron atoms side by side, the line would only measure 1 millimeter long. If all matter is made up of atoms, how do we get different elements? It all depends upon the internal structure of the atoms. Each element has atoms with a unique structure and a different number of protons. For example, each atom of hydrogen has 1 proton, while each atom of carbon has 6 protons. Some elements even have more than one form. The other forms, called isotopes, have the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. For example, hydrogen, which normally has no neutrons, has 2 isotopes: deuterium with 1 neutron and tritium with 2 neutrons. That's all for today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.